Hello everyone, I am Dr. Murali Manohar, Chirumamilla. I am presenting this important topic on health and wellness from Ayurvedic perspective as an audio booklet. Sit back and listen it carefully and comfortably. Ginger, a true universal healer. You know, some things are just always there, always helpful. Ginger is exactly like that. It is not just a spice we use for our chai or curries. It's considered a universal medicine, a Vishwa, as the Maharshis say in Sanskrit. This is not some new age fad, mind you. Ancient texts from India and China, dating back centuries, already spoke about ginger's incredible healing powers. It is like our ancestors knew a secret that we are only now fully appreciating with modern science. This simple root, so common in every Indian household, truly packs punch when it comes to health. The term Vishwa literally means universal in Sanskrit, and it perfectly describes ginger's wide range of medicinal uses. Think about it. From a simple stomach ache to more complex issues, ginger often offers a solution. It is like a one-stop shop for many common ailments. This versatility is why it earned such a grand title in ancient Indian medicine. It is a testament to its broad spectrum of action, making it a go-to remedy for people across different ages and conditions. Our grandmas always had some ginger handy, and now we know why. Ever felt that uncomfortable churning in your stomach after eating something heavy? Or maybe just a general stomach ache? Our good old ginger can be a real savior here. A tiny bit of dried ginger powder mixed with some sugar and warm water can work wonders. The compounds in ginger, like gingerols and shagols, are known to have antispasmodic properties. This means they help relax the muscles in your digestive tract, easing those painful cramps and making you feel better in no time. It is a simple desi home remedy that really works. When your digestion feels sluggish and you are feeling bloated, ginger can come to the rescue again. Imagine clarified butter or ghee infused with ginger. Taking a small amount of this ginger medicated ghee along with a squeeze of lime juice can kickstart your digestive system. Ginger stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently. Ghee, on the other hand, helps in the absorption of nutrients. Together, they form a powerful combo like a dynamic duo for your gut, ensuring everything moves smoothly. It might sound a bit old school, but ginger has been traditionally used to combat intestinal worms. While we have modern medicines now, it is fascinating how our ancestors used natural remedies. A decoction, which is like a strong tea made from ginger, was even used as an enema in some cases. The active compounds in ginger create an unfriendly environment for those pesky parasites, helping to expel them from the body. It is a natural way to clean out your system, showing just how versatile this root is. When you are dealing with diarrhea or dysentery, your body loses a lot of fluids and you feel completely drained. Ginger powder, taken a few times a day with plenty of water, can be incredibly helpful. It has properties that help to firm up stools and reduce inflammation in the gut. More importantly, it helps your body recover by acting as an appetizer, encouraging you to eat and regain strength. It is not just about stopping the problem, it's about helping you heal and get back on your feet. Sometimes, especially after an illness or when you are feeling low, your appetite just vanishes. You don't feel like eating anything, which can make you weaker. This is where ginger steps in as a natural appetite stimulant. By improving your digestive fire or Agni as per Ayurveda, ginger makes your stomach feel ready for food. It helps in the secretion of digestive juices, making food more appealing and easier digest. So, if you are feeling peckish, a little ginger might be just what you need to get your hunger back. Ginger is like a multi-tool for many everyday health issues. Got a common cold or a nagging cough? Ginger can help. Suffering from asthma, urticaria, those itchy skin rashes, or even general body swelling from an injury, ginger powder taken with warm water can offer relief. It is a fantastic anti-inflammatory agent, which means it reduces swelling and irritation. Plus, it boosts your digestive power, which is often seen as a root of many health problems in traditional medicine. It is truly a one-stop solution for many common health niggles. This might surprise you, but ginger can actually help cool your body down, especially during scorching Indian summers. When you consume ginger regularly, it causes your blood vessels to dilate, meaning they widen. This process, called vasodilatation, increases blood flow to the skin, which then triggers sweating. Sweating is your body's natural cooling mechanism. So, a refreshing drink of ginger juice with sugar can be incredibly beneficial. It is a clever way to beat the heat, proving that sometimes the things that feel warm can actually make you cool. The rainy season, as beautiful as it is, often brings with a host of infectious diseases like dysentery, cholera, and jaundice, mainly due to contaminated water. This is where ginger acts as your silent guardian. Adding ginger powder to your drinking water and boiling it can make a huge difference. Ginger has potent antimicrobial properties, meaning it can kill or inhibit the growth of various harmful microbes. Drinking this ginger-infused water can help prevent these waterborne illnesses, keeping you safe and healthy during the monsoon. For singers, actors, or anyone who uses their voice a lot, a sore throat can be nightmare. It is irritating, painful, and can ruin a performance. The good news is ginger offers a simple yet effective remedy. A small amount of ginger powder mixed with honey or sugar can provide instant relief. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties soothe the irritated throat lining, reducing pain and swelling. Honey adds to the soothing effect and helps coat the throat. It is a classic home remedy that vocal artists swear by. When you feel the first signs of a fever creeping in, the general malaise and raising temperature, ginger can be your first line of defense. Sipping water infused with ginger powder and coriander seeds, also known as dhania, continuously can help bring down your body temperature. Ginger's diaphoretic action encourages sweating, which is how your body naturally releases excess heat. Coriander also has cooling properties. Together, they work to generally bring down the fever, making you feel more comfortable without harsh medicines. A headache caused by a cold can be really bothersome when accompanied by congestion. Ginger offers a dual approach here. You can make a paste of ginger powder with water and apply it directly to your forehead. Ginger's warming and stimulating properties help to improve circulation and relieve congestion, easing the headache. Additionally, a little ginger powder used as a nasal medicine can induce sneezing, which helps clear out blocked passages and provides relief from the headache. It is a simple external application that yields quick results. In more serious situations like temporary spells of unconsciousness, also known as fits, traditional practices have even used ginger powder as a nasal insufflation. This means gently blowing a tiny amount of ginger powder into the nostrils. The strong pungent aroma and stimulating properties of ginger can act as a powerful sensory stimulant, helping to rouse a person and restore consciousness. While this is a traditional remedy and modern medical attention is paramount, it highlights ginger's potent stimulating effects. Beyond immediate relief, ginger is also considered a rejuvenator or rasayana in Ayurvedic medicine. This means it helps in revitalizing the body and promoting overall well-being. However, this is not a quick fix. To experience its rejuvenating effects, ginger needs to be taken consistently for several months, often up to 6 months. Because it is a long-term commitment and involves specific dosages, it is always best to consult an expert physician or an Ayurvedic practitioner before embarking on such a regimen. Many of us are constantly looking for natural ways to manage our weight, and guess what? Ginger might just be a helpful ally. Taking a small dose of ginger, about 2 grams daily after lunch, is believed to aid in weight reduction. How does it work? Ginger is known to boost metabolism, which means your body burns calories more efficiently. It can also help in fat digestion and absorption, potentially preventing excess fat storage. It is not a magic pill, but it can certainly support your weight management journey. While ginger is truly a marvel and generally safe for most people, there are always a but with natural remedies. If you are someone who frequently gets stomatitis, which are those painful mouth ulcers, you need to be cautious with ginger. Ginger is known for its pungent and heating properties. For individuals prone to ulcers, this heat might aggravate the condition, making the ulcers worse or causing new ones. So, if mouth ulcers are your frequent companions, it is wise to use ginger sparingly or avoid it altogether. Always listen to your body. Ginger, more than just a spice? Absolutely. From being a flavor enhancer in our food, ginger transcends its role to become a powerful medicinal agent. It is a testament to the wisdom embedded in our traditional practices. Whether it's the anti-inflammatory action, the digestive aid, the antimicrobial properties, or its ability to induce sweating for cooling, ginger is a powerhouse. It is a reminder that sometimes the simplest things in our pantry hold the greatest potential for health and well-being. The fact that ancient texts from India and China spoke so highly of ginger, calling it a universal medicine, is quite profound. It shows a deep understanding of natural remedies that has been passed down through generations. Today, modern science is slowly catching up, validating many of these traditional uses. We are seeing research that explains why ginger works for various conditions, from its active compounds to its physiological effects. It is a beautiful blend of ancient wisdom meeting modern scientific understanding, making ginger truly timeless. How does ginger work? It's magic. So, what's the secret behind the ginger's incredible versatility? It's all thanks to its unique chemical composition. Ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerols, shogols, and paradols. These compounds are responsible for its pungent taste and its medicinal properties. They act as powerful antioxidants, fighting off harmful free radicals in the body. They also have strong anti-inflammatory effects, reducing swelling and pain. Furthermore, they can stimulate digestion, improve circulation, and even possess antimicrobial properties. It is like a tiny chemical factory working tirelessly to keep us healthy. Thanks for listening. I hope this audio booklet offered valuable insights into health and wellness from an Ayurvedic perspective. If you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing for more content like this. Stay healthy, and I will see you in the next one. Chatam Jiva, Sarado Vardhamanaha. Chatam Hemantan, Chatam Vasantan. Subham.